I'm Donald Bell for Cool Tools, and these are scissors, if you can believe it. These are the Raymay Pencut scissors. It can be handy to have a pair of scissors in your kit, either for travel or in your car. The problem is that they're stabby and the handle can be a little bulky. The Pencut solves both problems by including a cap that snaps in place and flexible handles that collapse down. The result is a super compact pair of scissors that are safe enough to keep even in your pocket. The other cool feature is that these can be easily adapted for left-hand use. These little plugs here on the handle can pop out and be placed on the opposite side, which forces the flexible bit out to the other side, reversing the grip. Now, there are plenty of compromises here. The blade is only 2 inches long. The short handle doesn't offer much leverage and isn't exactly comfortable. But if space is a premium, I can't imagine a more compact pair of scissors that are still reasonably useful. You can pick these up using the link in the description. And remember, you can see thousands of reader recommended tools like this at cool-tools.org.